Hello everyone, I'm Florin, and in this episode we'll go over how to start our application, and we'll also go through the built-in tutorial to make sure everything is working fine. First we need to set up the template that we are going to use, so go into your directory and type this command. This will create a subfolder called my DApp, which holds our application. So let's go into that folder and continue on to our next step. Once you are in the game directory, type dc-cli start. We are going to say no to Docker containers, so type n and then enter. This starts a local blockchain network on your machine. You can see the smart contracts being compiled and deployed in our test blockchain network. This also starts the bankroller. And now we can start our application by typing in npm run start. This starts a local server for our application and launches it in our browser. Make sure you don't have any conflicting extensions in your browser, so I recommend running incognito mode just to be safe. We're going to go through and check if our application works now, so let's click on start. Now we need to choose our network. We have started one locally, so we'll choose local. Now the bankroller platform ID has to be the same as the one we have as input, so this is automatically set to your machine's ID. Now let's press init account. Here we can see some code snippets which are useful for creating your own projects from scratch. However, we will go down and press on init DApp. Now we need to find the bankroller we have started locally, so let's press on find bankroller and connect. To see the output, open the developer console in your browser. On Chrome you can open it by pressing F12. If there are no errors, that means we have successfully connected to our bankroller, and now you can play the example game. So let's take a look at some interesting things. In localhost 8545/accounts, we can take a look and see the addresses and private keys. And in localhost 8545/contracts, we can see the addresses of the contracts. You can use a program like Ganache to make the connections more organized, but we won't use it for these tutorials. That has been it for this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.